Now our last award is the Ducks. This award is the premier award given in any school to a student with the highest overall ranking in academic achievement for the graduating year. The word Ducks is Latin for leader, and in schools it's a modern title given to the top scholar. The award has also been wonderfully supported with a generous cash prize by the founders of AIS, Winti Tutui and Nigel Russell, and we thank them so much for their generosity and support. The winner this year has always been a very capable student. Not only is he a fine young man, initially raised in Australia, he came here in Year 5 and has been a leader ever since. He's a gifted public speaker. He also makes me feel good about my Ting V. He's emceed the Gin conference last year, and he's never short of an idea or an opinion. One of the top 3 academically in Year 11, top of Year 12, and possibly our first ever student to achieve the maximum score of 45. Never short either also of a smile. The Ducks of the school is Tran Wuk An Andrew, or more simply, Andrew Tran. Congratulations, Andrew.